So now you know enough about Python to be able to solve the problem that we started with at the beginning of this unit, that is the problem of extracting links from web pages. Let's assume we have a variable page that has the content of some web pages that we want to crawl, and this content is a string. What we can notice is that a link in a web page started with this syntax, ehref equals quotes and then the URL that we are looking for. There will be a quiz at the end of this video, so please be careful to all the information that I'm going to share with you. That way you can solve the quiz easily. As you can see, I've put together a page that is a simple testing page for the purpose of testing our web crawler. It's available at stateofdata.com/Python programming for computer science. Surf to that page to find the same content I'm showing you here. And as I said in a previous lecture, you can easily get the source code for the page by clicking a right click anywhere on the page and then choosing inspect. From here, what you can do is you can just click on this division and click HTML. Then you can copy the HTML code for this page. I've already done that and I have the file ready here. So the content of this file will be passed to the crawler app as a string stored in the variable page. That is the first thing that we need to do. So you can see here that I've initialized the variable page to hold the content of the web page. The page contains 3 links. The first one is sending to the course homepage on Udemy. The second one, that is this one, is sending to this page that contains the course description. And finally, the third one here, this link is sending to a page containing some Python project for beginners. If you want to have a look on that and practice a little bit some basic functionalities of Python. So let's go back to the quiz, and your goal for this quiz is to write a Python code that initializes the variable start link to be the value of the position where the first ehref equals occurs in the variable page. You can find the source code of the page as HTML file attached, and try to write the Python code to initialize the variable start link. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next lecture with the solution of the quiz.